Armed Forces' marvelous gesture. Can there be anything more wonderful gesture than this? So far, we might have seen people thanking Indian forces for their contribution in guarding our borders and protecting us to feel safe. Now, the first ever Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, who is now the head of all the three forces, Army, Navy, and Air Force, seems to have come up with this wonderful idea. Yes, now time has come for them to thank the frontline warriors like doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, sanitation workers, as well the civil law and order enforcers like the police. That too in their fight against an unknown as well as unidentifiable enemy like most dreaded coronavirus pandemic. The pandemic has already killed over 1800 people in India alone, besides afflicting little over 38,000 people across India. The new biological warfare in the form of the virus was unleashed from the soils of Wuhan in China. As part of that gesture, the CDS General Bipin Rawat ensured the Indian Air Force fly helicopters over the hospitals to shower flower petals on the doctors. Today, that feat was conducted at one of the oldest and massive Gandhi hospitals. The city police chief Anjani Kumar, who magnificently led his boys in the nation's fight against COVID-19, following the guidelines issued by the Union Home Ministry in coordination with the state government amidst criticism from quarters, had to say this.
Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Navy, they all expressed a feeling of solidarity, a feeling of acknowledgement to the hard work, devotion, and sincerity of all the front-line warriors who are fighting Corona. The front-line warriors include all the doctors, all the nurses, all the technical staff of hospital, all the Safai Karmchari of hospital, all the police officers, all constable officers who are there 24 hours on the road, leaving behind their family and fighting with this virus on the road to protect the society, to protect the children, to protect the elders of each and every family. This is a historical occasion. Whenever there is a crisis anywhere in the world, the entire segment of society get united. And today was nothing but a reflection of this unity, that the entire country is one. They were raising the slogan, "We shall fight, we shall win. Together we fight." This kind of challenging situation, it comes but once in a century in history. And what we are seeing today, not only at Gandhi Hospital, but at all hospitals, at all the police checkposts, is history in making. How the responsibility and the sense of self-discipline has brought the entire nation together. I am grateful to each and every person who are fighting this battle in their own capacity. The family is fighting by remaining indoors. The children are fighting by resisting their temptation to come out and play. The elders are fighting that they are not coming out for morning walk. Everybody is fighting. And that is what makes this country great. I am proud of each and every citizen of Hyderabad who have contributed in this struggle, and I am sure that we will fight and we will win. Thank you.
Sir, in the coming few days, we'll have a lot of people, migrant workers, going from here to Hyderabad to outer places, and people coming into Telangana. So how is the Hyderabad police geared up for taking action and taking precautions?
The Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, about 1 week back, he had made it very clear that all these workers are partners of economic development of our state. And therefore, it is our responsibility to see that nobody sleeps with empty stomach. We have been feeding more than 45,000 laborers every day in the city of Hyderabad with the help of GHMC, with the help of all the donors, with the help of Revenue Department, with the help of police department. However, still, if some people wants to go home, it is our responsibility to arrange. And that is why Government of Telangana, in collaboration with all the stakeholders like Indian Railways, Transport Department, we are facilitating the movement. We are taking care of that. We are issuing passes and we are taking care of the needs of each and every family staying in the jurisdiction of Hyderabad. Thank you.
Undoubtedly, the gesture of the CDS and his armed forces will be remembered by 130 crore Indians as they too can take the time off while fighting the enemy on borders, especially the Pakistanis with their cross-border terrorism is commendable. This gesture of armed forces shall help further strengthen the country's unity in diversity. This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.